powerful weapon is your media, love. Get on there. Go listen to her because she can't do nothing for you.
I'm not playing no more. I'm not playing no more. Of course.
Yeah, so you're gonna see
Of course.
your most powerful weapon.
No, call her for me. Let me.
I feel like all of this is a setup. I really feel like.
So, who did this festival? Was it you?
No, I'm not. I'm just helping out for the festival. I'm just an assistant. It's DIT and Chrissy. They're the one that does the festival.
Okay.
So I'm assisting and helping them out.
So does the festival?
So that's your most powerful weapon.
No, I'm not playing no more.
Exactly.
Thank you for the stage. I'm not playing no more.
Your most powerful weapon is your social media. Use the weapon. There's no need to argue with anybody here. Your most powerful ally, your most powerful weapon is the social media page. That's the most powerful weapon. Use it.
Let's go.
Okay, let's.
Let's see how better light in the green room.
No, I'm not playing. No, I already told her thank you for her stage. I'm not playing.
Listen to me.
I'm not playing. I'm not playing.
Listen to me.
No, I'm not playing.
Hey, no,
Hold on.
you have to play.
I'm not playing no more. I am not playing. No, they already cleared the stage for me and I left the stage because I'm not playing. No, this is super unorganized. Let me tell you something. I'm here to promote my culture. I'm not here for anything else but my culture, and this is what I get. No, I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. Pas celle Gaël. Pas fucking play. Qui complot ça? Qui met les derrière ma belle? Okay, that's fine. I'm not playing. I'm not playing.
You have to play. You don't have to back up. Yeah, you don't have to back up. You gotta play.
Okay, c'est pas yo gâté même. Fanatique moi paye pour venir là oui.
I know for you.
Yo,
You just will jouer.
I thought that
pas jouer. I'm not playing. I'm not playing. I'm not playing.
the most powerful weapon is not to play.
No, I'm not playing, Reggie. No, I'm not playing. I'm not playing.
The most powerful weapon is not to play.
Where is Marlon? Alright, I'm gonna start talking. Va commencer parler, but hold on, please. Va commencer parler, m'a expliquer nous ça qui passé depuis avant, depuis à 9h30. Hold on. Depuis 9h30, when I schedule time, when my call time, okay? I have my call time from 9:30. 9h30, get call time when to stage. What happened now?
What happened?
No, I'm not. I'm not playing. I'm not playing. Lise mette complot, pas jouer
No, they pay for you. They pay for you. They pay for you.
Listen to me.
Fuck it.
They pay for you.
You just play. You
They pay for you. You have to pay.
Yo pas supposé quitter bagarre là, escalate côté rivière régionale. I don't care what you want. I'm not playing, Gaël.
You have to.
I'm not playing.
Yes.
No. Depuis à 9h30.
So fucking contrôler.
Pas
Fanatique là pour vous. For jouer, you have to play.
Pas jouer. Bon, moi-même, je joue sous live là. Je joue sous live là, moi-même.
Fanatique là for jouer.
Pas jouer régional.
I know, I understand. I understand, but you have to
I'm not
play.
playing.
Yo mets un campé là. Florence, listen. Listen to me. They fait nous cap cadeau.
Let me tell you something.
Let me hear you talk. And I talk. Son complolier. They did that on purpose. So don't worry about it.
Gaël.
Haïtien toujours fait bébé.
You came to play.
C'est ça qui passe là.
Yes.
I'm not going.
Shoot forward. Go.
I'm not going. That's fucked up. That's fucked up. And no, my husband is not wrong for that. No, he is not wrong for that. Yo tellement connais my husband is not wrong for that. Promoteur qui book nous, li dit nous comme ça que c'est nous qui gagne raison. OK, li mande pour tout le monde de sortir sur stage là, c'est nous pas choisir rester sur stage là, OK? C'est nous même qui pas choisir rester sur stage là. All right? This is all bullying. All right? C'est purement bully à bully moun sur stage là. Ça c'est purement bully. OK, même moun qui fait programme nan, li était prêt pour le faire tout jazz descend pour nous être capable monter stage là. OK, parce que my husband is not wrong. Don't say my husband is wrong for that. No, he is not wrong for that. You know how long we've been waiting to get on this stage? I'm not getting on that stage anymore. You got me fucked up. I'm not going on that stage. No. No. And I deserve an apology. Okay? Even the owner met ici à la même. Yo vin relem pou m'jouer, m'pap jouer. I'm not playing. My call time was at 9:30, okay? We were supposed to play after Kenny. Même manager Kenny vin kote m. Li di sou pa monte, li pa bon pou ou. Okay, même manager Kenny, tous les deux managers Kenny yo vin kote m. Yo di sou pa monte, li pa bon pou ou. Tellement yo connaît qui setup qui fait en l'air, qui complot qui fait en l'air. Tellement yo connaît qui ça ka passé, qui complot gain. Okay? I'm so nice. M'pa cham parler. Tout bagay m toujours accepter. But this time, I'm gonna talk. Okay? It was a whole setup for me.
Get out the light. Get out. Here.
Hello?
Get off the light.
Huh? Yes. Hey. What you mean I have to play? Come on, after this whole setup.
You do. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Get off the light. Get off the light. You have to be.
Listen, this shit is a whole setup.
Okay.
It's a whole motherfucking setup.
Hold on.
Okay. 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 Okay.
It's time to go.
Okay.
Kuno ale.
We're playing.
No,
She got on.
no, Finally. We gotta go. We gotta go.
Okay, I need you guys to keep going where I can hear you. Keep moving the car.
Let's